Good morning to lecturers and friends. My name is Low Ca-Leb and my matrix number is 206279. Today, I would like to present about the assessment tree of the project Wellness Camp. My design concept is yin-yang, which is two opposing forces but still interconnected with each other, and then using the concept of yin-yang to describe how seemingly opposite or contrary elements are interconnected and interdependent in architecture to create balance and harmony. Next is the conceptual idea. It's come from the Siheyuan, also known as Sky Courtyard, a very significant building which apply concept of yin-yang since ancient time in China. So the building is surrounded by walls, leaving the area at the center facing to the sky. The most obvious contrary element used by the building of the concept of yin-yang is the earth and heaven. Besides, the building is like an individual world of itself because the openings of the building are facing the center sky courtyard. The views outside the building are blocked by the walls. Next, come to the building bubble diagram. I plan to divide all the public spaces and semi-public spaces at the ground floor, and last, the private rooms are at the first floor. Next is my surface area used by the spaces. Ground floor used 363.2 meters square, while the first floor used 132.8 meters square, and the total SOA used is 496 meters square. Comes to the site plan. Due to the wind path from the site analysis, the wind comes from the north west to the southeast. So there is an area of the building which does not have walls covered to allow the air circulation. According to the sun path, I placed the foot massage room, body massage room, and two bedrooms at the north and south, which never affected by the sunrise and sunset to achieve thermal comfort. Even though the cafe and the family rooms are at the east, but they are still receiving sunlight during sunrise, which is cooler compared to the sunset. This is my ground floor plan in the scale 1 to 100, and my first floor plan in the scale 1 to 100. Next is the section XX. Most of the view from the user in the building are facing at the center of the building, which is the water therapy area. It seems to the body massage room, foot massage room, the cafe also. They are all facing towards the center. Next is the section YY. Due to the slope at the side, there are few steps from the lobby down to the waiting room and few steps from the waiting room down to the water therapy area, and also few steps up to the higher place in the water therapy area. Besides that, ramp are also provided for the disabled user. Last, it is the 3D model spaces planning, which divided those three public spaces and also semi-public spaces, and the last private spaces. And I would like to apply both contrary elements, which are lights and also shadow, in my design to achieve the concept of yin yang. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.